like his right side of his body was.
Nice. Howdy ho, white stallion! Alright, we're back with Kingdom Overlanding. Ready to go on another trip up here north of Lake Pleasant. Hit a Castle Hot Springs road, kind of the back way to Crown King. Hit some offshoot roads. Mike's gonna take us down this trail, find some obstacles. Heading down to the lake, go to the north part of the lake, try to see what we can find, and just kind of hang out for the afternoon. Nothing crazy, nothing spectacular, but that's a cool thing. You can get out, get away, spend an evening doing what we do. Make sure you guys follow along. Got a lot more to come. All right, awesome. Oh yeah, there she goes. There you go. Nice. Nice. Oh. The easy way or the hard way? Or the harder way? So nice. Problem, huh? So nice. Can you step more forward?
I'm double attached.
Cassie, move.
Ouch. Do you have any pliers?
Probably.
That would probably work better.
Let me see if I got pliers on the gunner bag.
There you go. There you go. The girls are freaking out.
About what?
They don't know what happened to you, so they're like...
Hit the brake!
I'm on the brake.
Okay. Gotta give it some gas.
Ready?
There you go, Rachel. Good job. All right, Rach. You got your e-locker on? Yep. Nice. Nice. The stock FJ wins.
Daddy, was that a pain in the neck?
We're gonna turn around. It's getting late. We don't want to be out in the dark with new experience, so we're gonna turn around, come back to this trail some other day. Spend a lot more time out here.
Where does this trail take us to?
This trail will take us to Lake Pleasant.
Okay.
The north part of it.
So the fun way to the back way to Lake Pleasant.
Absolutely.
All right. The way it's not closed.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Maybe. Matt will have his tent on. We'll just come out here on a weekend.
Right.
We'll
Right.
just cruise it.
This is where we should watch 4th of July fireworks.
They're not having any at the lake.